Hello, I'm Shannon. Today I'm going to make vegan cheese, also called soy cheese or fermented tofu. We need 1 piece of firm tofu. I made this piece from scratch with soybeans and vinegar. If you are interested, please refer to my other video. Cut tofu into 1-inch cubes. To ferment tofu, we need liner and cover. The authentic liner and cover are natural leaves or hay straw. You can use paper towel as substitute. Place tofu cubes on liner. Make sure they are separated from each other. Cover with paper towel. The fermentation process needs air, so do not seal them with plastic film. After 3 to 5 days, the tofu cubes will be covered with yellowish beneficial bacteria and enzyme. This is a sign of good fermentation. But if the black mold appears, the fermentation failed. The next step is to season the tofu cubes and do further fermentation. Mix salt and chili powder. Prepare non-porous container and lid. The tip for successful fermentation is to make sure all your tools are oil-free and dry. Also, prepare some liquor in a bowl. Bath fermented tofu cubes in the liquor to prevent bad bacteria. Then wrap with seasoning mix and place in the container. Put the jar in a dark and cool place for 2 weeks before enjoying the vegan cheese. The white or yellowish beneficial bacteria will continue to grow, and the center of the cube will become as tender as milk cheese. Thank you for watching. I'm Shannon. See you next time.